take it light. Because your bow tie is orange.
Nah, look. I said, yo. I said, check it. You know what? I really love my mother. And I kind of love him. Why? Because he's my dad's brother. What is he talking about? What is he talking about?
You know what?
Being a rap battle.
Yeah, where the water? I'm gonna take it light on you. Cause your hair is black and you're my nephew.
You don't talk about a relationship like that? You don't talk about a relationship like that?
Alright, what's up?
Listen.
Yo. Called you nephew.
I swear to goodness it's trouble whenever these words come out. He got it. Check, what I say, yo. I said, look, he knows he's in trouble. Whenever the words come out. Especially cause right now we in Minerva's
Barzzz. That's my mama's.
You know what? What? I'm not gonna even lie to you.
Don't.
Cause I'm sweating.
That's right.
I need a brand new tissue. He's cooking.
I said, yo. I said I already gave him a little bit.
Okay.
Now I got the rest for you.
Oh! Shoot.
Tissue already in my hand because I'm sweating too. I just said that. He just said that.
Time is getting really late. Is everybody here have a cheesecake?
I go.
Let's get it. Check it. Look. He talking about cheesecake. That's a cake with the cheese.
Ooh, killer.
I don't even want to battle no more. Brandon, take me to sleep. Last one.
You know what?
You know what?
Why don't we start?
Turn down for what? I would start on you. Cause he's wearing gray.
Barzzz.
But because of that, I won't.
Go ahead now.
Cause it's Haitian Independence Day.